Hey everyone, this is Kellen from electricwheelchairsusa.com. Thanks for stopping by our YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to do an unboxing of Pride Mobility's newest mobility scooter called the GoGo Carbon. So they have a really popular carbon folding power wheelchair. It's called the Pride Jazzy Carbon, but this is the GoGo Carbon. So this is a carbon fiber folding mobility scooter. It weighs just 35 pounds once the battery is removed. So let's show you what it's like to unbox. All right, so first thing, I'm just gonna cut these straps. The scooter does come already assembled. There isn't much to really unbox. So if you wanted someone to actually set it up for you, we can arrange that. It's called white glove delivery, but this is what it would look like if you did not choose that. So if you want to save some money, this is a great way to see how to unbox this. So there's gonna be some styrofoam at the top. You've got the manual, and these are the key fobs. So it operates off of these key fobs instead of a key. I can pull it out just like this. Here's the battery. It's got the battery here. You actually charge the battery off of the scooter. You can charge it while it's in the scooter if you wanted to. Here's a gauge as well on the battery. Here is the charger. It's got your charger right here. Just taken off, here's the cushion. This is the seat cushion that is secured by Velcro. And to unfold it, there's a little red lever right here. Alright, so that's the scooter. So really that's all that you need to do to unbox. Just put the seat cushion on. Seat back is already here. You see the sticker here. You need to remove this so the battery will connect. So you see these prongs right here. There's 5 and then there's one that's covered. And this lines up with it. So I have to take this off like that. Just this tiny little piece. And now I can slide this in. All right, and there is a sticker here as well. Remove the battery indicator. All right, and that's it. That's all you need to unbox it. Charger, we'll take this off. This little tie that ties up the cord. And that's really it. So pretty simple to unbox it. As far as the keys, this is the unique thing. Check out our other video, we'll show more detail, but this is the key. So it's small enough you could probably put this in your wallet, for example. All right, so it has this little tag that's on here, and it says press power switch button. Place your NFC card in the right bottom sensor area to unlock it, and then the scooter is ready to go. So you want to turn it on. Someone wants to turn it on. If they don't have the fob, they can't take it. It won't operate. You can't put the fob right here. You have to put it directly over these buttons on the end. And then you saw that it unlocked, and now it's ready to go. The tiller also telescopes up. So if you're tall like me, it's good to go. So that's the unboxing of the Jazzy Carbon. Really cool scooter. Folds really easily. So if you wanted to travel with it, wheel it on these front wheels, and when the battery's removed, it only weighs 35 pounds. So if you have any questions about the GoGo Carbon, you can watch our other videos about it, or you can give us a call, and we'll definitely be able to help you out. Our phone number is 1-800-682-9444. Give us a call if you have any questions, or just visit us at electricwheelchairsusa.com.